Hi everyone, today we're going to open the Celebrations Deluxe Pin Collection featuring Zacian and a Pikachu coin. So what you're gonna get inside, you're expecting to get a promo card, Zacian X, cool pin, Pikachu, 4 celebration packs, 2 other TCG packs. So these are the contents, and let's open it up. And we got some kind of a poster explaining what are Pokemon Level X, when they first appeared, I think, and kind of a bit of history. If you're all about reading, you can pause and read. Let's see what's inside. So, first things first. I think what makes this collection box so special, also for the long-term run, if you're kind of searching something to invest in, this pin collection is awesome. You get a Pikachu pin, it's pretty hefty, very big, roundish, metallic, kind of heavy. So you got Pikachu surfing mode, and if you take this upper area and you spin it around, you get the flying Pikachu. So this is very cool pin, good for display, I think, and also just generally it's kind of magnetic, the upper one. That's awesome. You're gonna get 4 celebration packs, 2 other TCG packs, in this case Chilling Reign and Vivid Voltage. Let's get to the promo and the code card, of course. So that's the code card for the Deluxe Pin Collection. You can have it. That's the promo. Zacian X, very shiny, the 25th anniversary interpretation of it. I'll protect it. Got some sleeves, Ultra Pro. You can find the link to get them below if you're interested, or more celebration products. Very sweet card. So put it right here. Let's get to the packs. Start with Chilling Reign. This set is kind of big. I approached approximately 200 packs and I'm not as near as finishing it up, so not my favorite set, but still hopefully we can get something. That's the code card, Chilling Reign. Let's see what we got. Ladybug, Porygon, Swirlix, Sneasel, Snover, Aggron Reverse Holo, and nothing. Lovely. So that was pack number 1. Let's get to the Vivid Voltage one. Love this set. I think Vivid Voltage and Evolving Skies are the best sets you can get at the moment. You can pull really cool cards. It's also fun to open them long term, because you got so many cards that are actually worth displaying and collecting. So that's the code card, Vivid Voltage. Let's see what we have. Fennepi, Yanma, Galarian Meowth, Duskull, Voltrob, Charmander Reverse Holo, and Alcremie. So nothing special here as well, but Charmanders are always nice. Sitting right here. Now let's get to the celebration packs. I'm missing like 5 cards at the moment. Charizard is among them, so let's aim for Charizard, and the rest will follow. Celebration code. We got Lugia, Cosmog, Yveltal, and Zacian V. Nice. Number 2. Code card. Celebrations. Lugia again. Cosmog. Whoa! Double Pikachu pack. Flying Pikachu V and Birthday Pikachu. One of my favorite cards in this subset. Very, very shiny. Pikachu promo. Nice. Flying Pikachu. Oh, talking about promos. So the Zacian X is a Sword and Shield promo card. The number is 135 if you're collecting them. It's a really cool one. The designs, they really went nuts with them. It's also kind of a piece of TCG history, so that's cool. So we got one Birthday Pikachu and a Pikachu pin. Also 2 packs left. See what we can get. So code card, Ho-Oh, Zekrom, Cosmog, and Solgaleo. Nothing unique. Last pack. Maybe a Blastoise? I don't know. Got a hunch. Something blue. Celebrations. Lugia again. Zekrom. Another double Pikachu pack. So we get the full art Pikachu. Pretty common, but also very cool. And another Birthday Pikachu. So that's a heavy Pikachu pack. Nice. So 2 Birthday Pikachus. Flying Pikachu, Zekrom. Got Zacian. Zacian V, Zacian X, sorry. Cool pink color. And yeah, that was the collection. You can get celebration products in the links below, some sleeves if you like, and it would be really helpful if you drop a like, share and subscribe to the channel, or check the official website. Have an awesome Pokemon day. Till next time.